Let me ask you a question. Are you searching for an e-commerce website design company? If you answer yes to that question, hi, my name is Shavar and I am a professional web designer and I build and manage websites for companies all over the world. Okay? Like that being said, guys, as you can see right here, this is an e-commerce store, okay? And I just built this e-commerce store for a client. As you can see, if I keep scrolling down, it is really stunning looking e-commerce website. Okay, as you can see, if I keep scrolling down, guys, this is an awesome e-commerce website. And I can build a website for you just like this one. Okay, so if you need e-commerce website to design for your company, all you need to do, guys, just go to quackbuilder.com/webdesign. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is a beautiful looking e-commerce website. But I don't just only build e-commerce website. I build all different kind of website. I can build any kind of website you need. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to focus on e-commerce website. All right, so if I click this, just this store, I'm just going to show you the store of this website. As you can see, this is the store of this website, and as you can see, it's a really nice, clean, fresh looking website. Okay, and you can add your product and services and so on, so forth. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to the store, or I can go home, and as you can see, guys, I can go to the contact page and so on, so forth. Okay, so basically, guys, this website that I designed, I just finished design this website for a client, and I am about to hand it over to them, and they can, you know, link their payment method and so on, so forth. Okay, so this website is ready to get leads and sales and all that good stuff. Okay, so if you need a professional e-commerce website design company that can build a professional looking website for you just like this one, all you need to do is go to quackbuilder.com. As you can see, go to quackbuilder.com/webdesign. Okay, you can see right here, quackbuilder.com/webdesign, and when you come to this page, it's gonna, you know, pop up this option for you. Okay, and what you need to do is basically, you know, just click what kind of service you need us to provide for you. Like basically, I'm saying, what kind of website do you want us to build for you? Okay, so we can build you a normal website, we can build you an e-commerce website, excuse me, hopefully, just like this one. This is an e-commerce website. Okay, so if you need an e-commerce website, you can click that, and if you need a landing page, you can click that. Take this off and click that, or if you need a full-blown funnel website, you can click that. Okay, so basically any website you want us to build for you, you just need to click it right there. Okay, and then you just provide us with your name, your email, your phone number, and so on and so forth, and your country, etc. Make sure in this box that say message, this is where you should give us your ideas, like what kind of website you want us to build for you, or you want it to look and feel, and so on, so forth. Okay, so this is where you can type all of that. All right, and then once we get this information, we're going to look at it, and we're going to contact you with the number that you provide on the farm. Okay, and then we're gonna talk to you probably like roughly and half an hour or an hour, depending on the kind of site you want us to build for you. And then we will, take all that information. We're gonna need some content such as videos, text, etc., etc. And we're gonna take all that information and we're gonna build you a fully e-commerce website, beautiful looking, just like this one. Okay, guys? So please, guys, if you're new to this channel, please just subscribe and click the post notification bell, okay, so you can be the first to know when we upload new videos. Okay, also, guys, like and share, comment. Okay, like and share, because we're trying to turn everyone into a web designer as well. All right, so if you need an e-commerce website, beautiful looking, just like this one, if you need us to build you one just like this, we are a professional web designer. And yeah, we are a professional web designer, and we build website just like this one for companies all over the world. Okay, so alright, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you need web design, all you need to do, go to quackbuilder.com/webdesign, fill this form out, send it to us. We will contact you and we will build your website for you. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you click the subscribe button and also click the post notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Alright, bye.